It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 16th of March. I'm Michael Groff. A weather system passing to the north of us today will bring some widely scattered rain and snow showers across northern Arizona. Here in Phoenix, about the only thing we'll get out of it is an increase in wind and a few clouds coming through. Temperatures remain above average today, but on the backside of that system, a bit cooler tomorrow, a little warmer as we head into the weekend, and then some forecast uncertainty by about Sunday regarding another system coming into the state. Could we see some rain here in the valley? We'll talk about all of that and everything else as we dive in and discuss. First, looking at the almanac from yesterday, 86 degrees the afternoon high, 54 was the morning low, the normal high 78 and the normal low 54. And as we take a look outside right now at 9:10 a.m., a few clouds here in Phoenix, and we're sitting at 66 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 26, relative humidity 22%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows a rather potent upper low over the southeast U.S. Here in the greater southwest, there's a weak wave coming on through. Most of the moisture with this feature is to the north of us, but again, some widely scattered rain and snow showers may be possible from about Flagstaff on north today. The watch warning map is extremely quiet across the country. A few red flag warnings over parts of New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. The convective outlook for today, there is a risk of severe storms over parts of Alabama, Georgia, Florida, and the Carolinas. Here in the southwest, maybe a little bit of thunder over parts of northern Arizona today. You might get a stray thunder shower or two, but that's a pretty low-end risk and certainly nothing severe expected. And here's a look at precipitation, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts here in Phoenix at or under 1/10 of an inch, maybe a little bit more than that over the higher terrain. And that's with our system that we expect to come in here by about Sunday or Monday. We'll talk about that feature and a whole lot of other stuff as well as we get to the models right now. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Upper low over the southeast. There's that weak wave coming through the southwest today. Moisture fairly limited with that system. So what it means for us down at the surface today, some clouds around this morning, becoming mostly sunny this afternoon. It will be breezy. Southeast winds very light this morning, increasing to southwest to westerly this afternoon, around 10 to 20 miles per hour. We might even see some wind gusts around 30 here in Phoenix, a little bit more than that over northern Arizona. And with this system, again, even though moisture is limited, we could see some widely scattered rain and snow showers by this evening from about Flagstaff on northward, and maybe even a clap of thunder or two. So if you're heading up there on I-40 or traveling up toward Page or Kanab, yes, you might run into a few raindrops, but nothing really significant. And highs this afternoon still on the warm side here in Phoenix. We should be up in the mid-80s. Tonight, mostly clear sky, breezy though, with overnight lows in the 50s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny and a little bit cooler, highs upper 70s and low 80s. On Friday, a shortwave ridge builds in, high temperatures back toward the lower and middle 80s. On Saturday, a trough is moving on to the west coast. We see some rain and mountain snow from northern California up into the Pacific Northwest. Around here, some increase in high clouds likely. We'll call it partly sunny, but still a warm day. High temperatures in the middle to perhaps upper 80s. On Sunday, that system is going to move our way, but how it evolves is still a little bit up in the air. Some of our ensemble guidance does show a bit more of a robust system with some better rain chances around. But the last several runs of the deterministic GFS, and certainly the European as well, show more of an inland trajectory type of system, and we've said that a lot over the last several months, and that means it's not going to be picking up a lot of Pacific moisture. So once again, a moisture-starved or sparse system, but it does have enough dynamic support for some widely scattered rain and mountain snow showers over the state. Probably just enough for a few showers here in Phoenix off and on. We'll call a 20% chance of rain into the forecast. One thing that seems a bit more clear, though, is that it will turn breezy to locally windy and cooler. High temperatures only in the upper 60s to low 70s on Sunday. Should be overall a pretty nice day with maybe a few raindrops to dodge. All right, by Monday, the system begins to move out. Some widely scattered showers still across central and eastern Arizona over the higher terrain here in Phoenix. We should turn mostly sunny once this starts to move out of here. Maybe a few breezes, highs low to mid 70s. And then we'll warm up quickly with a ridge building in behind it. Highs could get back pretty close to 80, maybe even the low 80s by Tuesday with mostly sunny sky. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 23rd. And maybe a piece of energy from that system breaks off as ridging builds in rather rapidly behind it and closes off across northern Mexico. That's a possibility. If that happens, we could see continued breezes around here. High temperatures would be still around 80 or in the low 80s. As we go out 10 days, this is Friday the 25th, we've got another system passing by to the north of us, brushing by the Four Corners, but most of the energy dynamic support stays across the Rockies and moves out toward the Plain States. But if that happens, temperatures would trend down once again, but we would remain dry. All right, looking at rainfall for Phoenix going out through the 30th of the month, and this is coming off of the GFS ensemble. Most of the members indicate some at least very light precipitation with this system, but again, the ensemble mean remains well under 1/4 of an inch, so significant rainfall still does not appear to be likely, but we could pick up at least a little bit here on Sunday or Sunday night. And temperatures off the national blend of models remaining above average for the rest of the week and heading into the weekend. And then a bit cooler on Sunday and Monday. Below normal temps are possible and maybe even cooler than what's shown here if that system turns out to be a bit stronger. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And music fans, I encourage you to check out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun doing that. Myself and the one and only Michelle have put that together for you. So, of course, you're going to listen, and I will leave a link to it in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated, all of your continued support. We just couldn't do these videos without you. You guys be safe, stay cool out there today. And you know what? It's kind of a kite day, especially by this afternoon with those winds picking up. So have yourselves a beautiful Wednesday.